Differentiate, multiply by the old power, so 8 multiplied by 2 is 16. Reduce the power by 1, 1 less than 2 is 1. Second one, this is really 2x to the negative 1. And we do the same, so multiply by the old power gives me negative 2. 1 less than negative 1 is negative 2. For the turning point, it's where once we've differentiated, and we've just done that in part A, equals 0. Now to solve something with a negative power, we're going to multiply throughout by the positive power. So I get 16x cubed subtract 2 equals 0. Then it's standard solving equation. Divide by 16. Opposite of cubing is the cube root. So x equals a half. To get the y value, we need to put a half into our original equation. So 8 times a half squared plus 2 over a half is 6. If I add 10 metres to its width, it becomes x plus 10. And if I add 20 metres to a length, it becomes 3x plus 20. And the area of the larger is double, so 2 times the original area, which is 3x squared. Expand the brackets. And move everything onto the right hand side. And I get the required equation. Solve this equation. Easiest way is to use the quadratic formula. So x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So work out the positive one first. Gives me 20. Work out the negative one. It's negative 3.3, which can't happen. You can't have a negative side on a playground. So x was 20. So its original area is 20 by 60, which is 1200. P to S, I've got to do A and then A again, so 2A. P to R, 2A plus a B. M to Q, minus an A plus a B. N is on MQ, so that MN is a third of the way. And then I've got to do something about PNR. So let's work out P to N, which is P to M plus 1/3 of M to Q, which I've just done. Expand the bracket. Simplify, put my A's together. Which happens to be exactly the same as PR, but divided by 3. There's my proof. Angle between TP and the base, so that's this angle here. So I need to find out what PM is. So I can find PR first of all using Pythagoras. So P to M will be half of that. And then trigonometry, that's the opposite. This is the adjacent. So tan, shift tan 15 over square root 89. .8328957, 1 decimal place, 3's following it, so it stays the same.